we are not live, but welcome anyways. A lot of people have been asking where I've been. Where are you? Are you okay? Everything's great. I've been working on the tote pattern, which is this right here. It comes out on March the 2nd. And during the process of making the tote, my testers gave me a lot of really great feedback on the way that I designed the shoulder strap. So the pattern comes with this pattern piece, just a standard pattern piece. And when they read the directions with the pattern piece, a couple of them used the word brilliant. You guys know I'm a little too humble for that. So what I did was take it back to the drawing board and see how I can not only scale it up for different strap sizes, but to offer a template so that you're not printing on a wobbly piece of paper. I print all of my pattern pieces out on cardstock, so it makes it a little bit tougher, but eventually outlining the pattern piece, it gets warped and it's no longer useful, so I have to print it again. So what I did is designed a couple of options in my 3D lab. I 3D printed. I had a lot of trial and error. I wanted to make it perfect and include everything that you would need to make a seamless shoulder strap that does not have a bunch of bulkiness along the edge. So normally when we fold up our edges so that we create the seamless outside of the strap, there are layers of vinyl on the inside or cork, whatever you use. I wanted to design it so you didn't have the bulkiness, but you still had the really pretty seamless end to your strap. So I 3D printed these. They are available now, so even though the pattern doesn't come out until next week, you can go ahead and purchase your templates. This is not just for the tote bag. So the templates come in 3 sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. So those are the widths of the finished straps, say that 3 times fast, that you can make with these templates. There's a guide and an instruction card that comes along with it that tells you how wide to cut your material out to get the finished size of the strap. And using it is incredibly simple, and I'll show you now. The templates come in a set like this with a carabiner to keep everything together. It also provides a place that you can hook it to somewhere for really quick grabbing. So all you do is twist the little carabiner closer to open up the carabiner, take off your template, and then choose what size you want. For the example, I'm going to be making a 3/4 inch strap, so I'm going to take the 3/4 inch template. Now, I designed this to have an open top and bottom. That's where you're going to line up your center line. So when you make a shoulder strap, you draw a line down the center. This is going to go on both ends. So this end, and then we're going to turn it around and do the exact same thing on the other end to have 2 finished edges. So all you do first is align the sides to the sides of your strap, as well as the bottom. Once you get that on, again, that center line is going to go straight down this open box and straight down this bottom box, and that way you know it's centered. The next step is to draw a horizontal line down the box that is provided, as well as trace out the sides. Then remove the template. We're going to cut these corners out. So you just want to cut right along the line that you drew. Remove that fabric. Now you can fold this up however you normally do. If you use clips, you can use clips. I'm going to use double-sided tape. So I'm just going to run this down the center. I'm not going to do the entire strap. I'm just going to show you this edge. This is a 1 inch strap that I did before. Now, in order to get a really clean, tight fold at the bottom, we want to add supports to where these sides come together. So in addition to the tape down the center, I just add a small piece of tape along those corners, just like that. And I'm going to remove the tape backing. The first step is going to fold this tab at the end so that it meets that horizontal line that you drew. Just like that. Next, we're going to fold the long edge towards the center line. We're going to stop just short of that center line. That gives us enough clearance when we fold this at the very end. And then we're just going to press that into the tape. Again, I'm not going to do the entire way down, so we're going to stop right here. So that extra tape that we placed right here is going to hold this corner in place. That way we won't see too much raw material once we are done sewing it all together. And then all you do is the same thing on this edge. Push that into the tape, stopping just short of that center line. So that's what we look like right now. And the way that I designed the template, I made all of the pieces fit from where we cut them. That way there's just one layer on the inside and we don't have multiple layers at the end. All we have to do is fold this over once more, sew along the outside, and that is how you have perfect finish edges every single time. No matter if you need a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, or 1 inch strap. These two are perfect for wristlet straps, and then these two are perfect for shoulder straps. I really hope that you love it. I can't wait to see all of your shoulder straps.